Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, and this one here, I will say YouTube made me do it. Go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. Now, like I said, YouTube made me do it, so I'm not sure about this particular item, but I wanted to get it home so I can see for myself, is it worth the hype? Go ahead and pull the tab, and y'all know when it's a pull tab, y'all know what that mean, honey. Pull tab. Neat, so we can maybe save this box if I need to. So as you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton purchase, y'all. I know what y'all saying, honey. I done caught the Louis bug again, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Louis Vuitton says, I guess Louis Vuitton like, okay, she been ordering quite a bit, so let's go on and throw her this little gift. And look what they threw in the box. Y'all. Oh gosh, what they threw in the box. Vuitton catalog, I guess. You can use this as a table book. This is what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. Already excited already. Didn't even see the item. So here is my Louis Vuitton information. You got my return information. Little note I wrote, I love you, because I do love myself. I know you're like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you buy now, girl? So here's the box. Ooh, this thing is really big. Okay. So I got this big old here. I got this thing. Oh wow, this is really big, y'all. I got this here cosmetic pouch. I was looking for something to like sit on my vanity area where I can like toss a lot of makeup in, like a catch-all, but just be cute all at the same time. I like the fact that this here has an inside zipper, you all, if you can see that. It's really a cosmetic pouch, like to travel with. But the reason why I was interested in purchasing this is because of the fact that I saw people turn this into a like a little bag. Show you what I mean by that. Zippers. And like I said, Louis Vuitton is known for their smooth zippers. It sounds a little rusty, but it is still smooth, if that makes sense. Let's see where this is made. This is Louis Vuitton, made in France. I have a slit pocket, which I appreciate. The textile card and the item number, just in case you want to purchase after watching Miss Tamika video. The reason why I ended up purchasing this, because I wanted to see what was the hype. Because these here off of Amazon, because it was a young lady. I don't remember her YouTube channel, you all. I'm sorry about any unboxings on this particular item. I'm sure you know who I'm talking about. The one who converted this into a bag, like a shoulder bag. Ordered the rings off of Amazon. You know, you had to buy a pack of them. I thought you could just buy like one set. So these here are big ass D rings. So she took the D ring and carefully placed it on here. Let me try to do this without damaging anything. So what she did was she took the D rings and she placed them through this little opening. This D ring attached, you can now attach any type of chain. If I have any type of chain or straps that will fit to show you, but I just wanted to see if these particular D rings will fit. She did was she attached a chain or some type of strap. She did, I think she made it into a crossbody and a shoulder bag. It made me purchase this, you all. Do I need it? Absolutely not. I wanted to see, is it worth me keeping? Like I said, when I do these hair unboxings, once I turn the camera off, that's when I'll go behind the scenes and really examine the product and everything like that. But I will say, far as presentation, I give it a 10 out of 10. Everything is perfect. Nothing is you know, out of place. The inside is clean, like you could tell this came from somebody's warehouse. Put my makeup in here and like have it sitting on my desk area. So I don't know, it is kind of big for a cosmetic pouch for myself, because when I travel, I normally travel with a so this is kind of big for me to like throw in my carry-on, unless I put it like at the bottom and then place all my stuff at the on top of it. Now the inside is wipeable, so if you do place makeup or anything in here and it spills, it will wipe up really easily. I did have the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch that was similar to this, but it was a lot smaller. I did sell that way back when, and I never repurchased that particular item, only because I did end up purchasing the what is it called, the pochette. I ended up purchasing the pochette, so I felt like I didn't need to purchase that cosmetic pouch again. I mean, the cosmetic pouch I really liked, but I don't know, I just wasn't using it as much, so I ended up selling that. It reminds me of that particular pouch, so see if I want to keep it, y'all. But I wanted to get it home so I can see. I'm gonna go through my items to see what, matter of fact, let me go grab that the strap off of my birthday bag that I purchased last year, because actually, let me grab that and I'll be right back. I did pull out my strap that went along with the bow tie or Bowie bag, so let's see if we can attach this on here. So one strap was able to attach, so of course the second one. Now I did hear that with this you have to like make sure the D-rings are like placed straight up, because if not they will like fall down. Go to grab the bag, you just have to make sure, you know, they sitting straight up. So stand up so you can see. So this is with that particular strap. There are other straps. I just wanted to show you the one strap that I had to see how it looks as a shoulder bag. I will say with this particular bag, y'all, this thing holds a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my bag and show you what fits in here, just so you can see, because this thing holds a lot. Fill this up with makeup, but I'm sure it's people out there that will. This is not what I would carry in here, but I just wanted to show you that this thing holds a lot. So I have this here Chanel wallet, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, fit. Oh, this stuff in here. You can see everything fits in here, you all, like everything. And you still have room for more, but I don't have nothing else to put in here. Showing you really quick what fits in here. So we're going to close her thing. This kind of reminds you of like a men's toiletry. So is one of my newest purchases. Like I said, I'm just trying to see if it's worth me keeping, because the bag, and I don't want to just get stuff just to get stuff. Like I want to make sure I'm able to use it, because I do love the Karigami, but I'm not getting a full use out of that, and I'm like, I could have used that money towards something else. I want to play with it again, like I said, just to make sure this would be something that I need in my collection, because like I said, I was planning to use this as a catch-all for all like my training products, makeup that I want to use, like new makeup I want to try out for you all, try out before I place in my drawers, because once the stuff is placed in my drawers, y'all, I sometimes forget. So vanity area, so I'll know, okay, these here are new products I need to try them, because like I said, if I place them in like a container or like this little drawer I have underneath, I'll never open it to look to use the thing. So that's why I was just like, okay, maybe I should try something like this. And I like the fact that the price was right. I jumped on purchasing it because I was scared that it was going to be a price increase, because I don't know, lately these here brands are like price increasing 2 and 3 times a year. Grab it to see if it's something that I'm loving or something that I need to keep, because but do I really need it is the whole question. to get on here and do this really quick unboxing. If y'all have this particular item, let me know how you use it. Like, do you use it as a catch-all for your makeup, or do you actually use it for a cosmetic pouch, or do you use it as a, like, you know, a bag? You know, down below, because I upload this video, I would have already decided on if I'm gonna keep it or take it back. But I just want to hear your thoughts down below, as you know, I created this Louis Vuitton community, and we, like, you know, Louis Vuitton family, you know. So it's like when I get new stuff, y'all like my girlfriends, I gotta call y'all and like, hey, look what I got. That's kind of how I treat you too, like y'all my girlfriends, calling. Because if I had, you know, a friend that understood the whole Louis Vuitton, I would be calling her like, girl, guess what I got. So I don't really have that, because everybody don't understand Louis Vuitton or luxury things, period. So I get it, because of course it's not for everybody. Out of hearing people, oh, I would never. Okay, it's okay. Like, it's okay. You know, to each his own. It's okay. They tell me, because I don't give a shit. You know what I mean? Like, I don't give a shit. But I had to bring this cutie home. It is a cutie, I will say that. Like, it is a cutie. It's nice to have feet, but I guess that's pushing it. I'd rather purchase this over the Karigami, because I feel like with this one I would have got more use out of this versus the Karigami. Even though the Karigami is better in price, I just feel like I would have probably gotten more use out of this. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.